Hey guys, welcome back to another daily tech brief. Let's get right to it. Apple CEO Tim Cook says users will be able to turn off iPhone battery performance throttling in a future iOS update. Somehow I wouldn't put the words iPhone battery performance and throttling in the same sentence. However, that being said, the forthcoming update will give users the option to disable the throttling to maintain normal CPU performance, but at the risk of unexpected shutdowns. Oh joy. Well, some good news if you run Linux distros inside a VirtualBox. The Linux kernel, the next one, is getting guest editions. The Linux kernel developers are working to add features delivered by VB guest editions to the Linux kernel. And you should be able to get to see this by the release of Linux 4.16. Very nice to get screen sizing, USB control, and etc. Very good. I have to tell you that running Linux distros inside a virtual machine where everything works out of the box after install is a complete joy. Google is going to ditch Ubuntu Linux for Debian-based G-Linux. Ubuntu sounds like a kid's toy. Anyway, the Google employees will be using Debian-based Linux. Could it be because of greater stability? Don't know. It says here the exact reason why Google is ditching Ubuntu for Debian is unclear. The switch would allow Google to have timely testing of packages and fix broken things. Well, that's all for this Daily Tech Brief. Thank you for watching. This is Total OS Today, Total Technology for beginners and beyond.